The market stays strong this week, with all indicators but one moving up. I'm Tony with Clarkson Santoro, and this is our real estate update for the week of Friday, May 26th. In this series, we update you on the latest trends that are occurring in our real estate market here in San Ramon. Using our more than 50 combined years of experience helping clients buy and sell homes, we explain what those trends mean for you as a homeowner or as someone who is looking for a house that you will love to call home. The current inventory is 24 homes, down from 27 last week. The average asking price of those homes was $2,392,000, which is up from last week's average of $2,360,000. 9 homes asking an average of $2,002,000 went pending this week. That is more pending homes than last week's 6, with a higher average asking price from last week's $1,842,000. A total of 9 homes sold this week with an average sales price of $1,965,000. That average price was up from last week's $1,723,000, and the total number of sold homes was higher than last week's 7. So now that we have analyzed the market's performance over the past week, let's delve into the broader trends that provide insights into the overall health of the market and the potential future direction. Before we proceed, if you find this information valuable, we encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel to ensure that you don't miss out on future updates. And why not share it with a friend too? Everyone deserves to be in the know about their local market. All right, let's take a closer look at the market indicators. Inventory. In terms of inventory, there was a slight decrease from 27 homes to 25. However, compared to the same time last year, when there were 48 homes on the market, the current inventory is significantly lower. It's worth noting that last year, the number of active listings increased by an average of 8 per week for the next 2 months, eventually reaching 118 active listings. The 48% decrease in inventory compared to last year is a significant reason why our market is performing so well. We should keep an eye on the number of coming soon listings, which has grown from an average of 5 to an average of 10 this week. This may suggest inventory could pick up in the coming weeks, although pending sales at current levels may help moderate the increased inventory levels. Inventory gets a score of 72 this week. The turnover rate is back up to 140% of a neutral market this week. This continues to stay well above 100%, indicating that homes are selling quickly. As long as the number stays above 100%, the number of coming soon listings will be less of a concern for the overall health of the market. We are increasing the score to 65 this week. We also noticed another modest improvement in the over-under indicator this week. The average amount of paid over the listing price was $53,000, which is approximately 2.8% above the list price. This is a positive sign indicating a lean towards the seller's market, and moreover, this metric seems to be stabilizing with minimal percentage change over the past 2 months, signaling a market stability. With inventory as low, this number will likely stay just over the asking price, like it is right now, for the foreseeable future. The over-under score is at 60 this week. In terms of closing prices, there was a slight improvement observed this week. While the increase was only $2,000 from the previous week, it suggests a balanced sales activity across different price ranges. Furthermore, over the past month, the median average price has risen by over $30,000, indicating that higher-priced homes are selling well alongside the lower-priced options. The closing price metric improves to 72 this week. For the past several years, the San Ramon housing market has been highly influenced by the health of the Silicon Valley economy. So if that economy is doing well, we will continue to see strong buyer interest from people working in that industry. The QQQ Fund, which is an index of high-tech companies, ended the week strong and continues the trend that started at the beginning of the year. It is now up 20% over the past 5 months, meaning that our home buyers are confident in their buying power. We're increasing this market indicator to 70 this week. The interest rates are the only market indicator that had negative movement this week. Rates increased another 18 points and are now at 6.5% for a 30-year fixed mortgage. This is still lower than the 7 months ago, but as long as rates stay above 6%, it will hold our market in check. This is a double-edged sword because in one way, it's good for buyers because it is keeping housing prices from skyrocketing again, but is greatly reducing buyers' buying power. So we are keeping this indicator score down at 30 this week. Overall, it was a good week for the market as most of the metrics and indicators showed positive changes, indicating a strengthening market. It's important to highlight that unlike the same time last year, when the market experienced a free fall with increasing inventory and declining values, we don't anticipate a repeat of that scenario at this time. However, it is crucial to remain mindful of the potential headwind posed by the slightly higher interest rates. The market score sits at 61 this week. It favors sellers right now and will continue to do so unless inventory really spikes in the coming weeks. Thank you so much for tuning in to our weekly market update. We hope the summary and commentary provided valuable insights into how our market impacts your options. If you have any specific questions about navigating the market to buy or sell a home, don't hesitate to drop a comment below or reach out to us directly. We're here to guide you every step of the way. And if you found this information helpful, share it with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you'll always be in the know about the latest real estate news here in San Ramon. Have a safe Memorial weekend, and we'll see you next week with a new update.